everyone. My name is Loretta D'Souza and I am the coordinator of our parish family cell. On behalf of the family cell members, I welcome you all for the wonderful event OLFC's Virtual World Marriage Day. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate our confirmation candidates for being blessed with the Holy Spirit today. Friends, there are many reasons to give up, but we need to hold on to one, and that is to honor the vow we made, the day we promised to be true for better or the worst, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love and honor all the days of our lives. May our families be a heaven of love to nurture our young, shelter our old, and be open to life, love, and all that our future holds. Before we proceed for the event, I would like to thank all the wonderful couples who have participated in the shortest time and made this special day more glorified. Special thanks to our parish priest, our family cell president, Father Jervis D'Souza, and the prayer leader, Mr. Augustine Mendes, for helping us to explore the digital platform. I am proud to lead the parish family cell, which consists of 14 families, and feel responsible to celebrate such a magnificent day. Also, I would like to thank all our viewers for making this celebration a success. Last but not the least, wishing all married couples a very happy World Marriage Day. God bless you all. Thank you.
My dear friends, this is a beautiful day, the day when we celebrate Family Day. Family Day is something very important. Each one of us, we have our birthdays, we have our celebrations, our home. But as a family of God's church, our family of Our Lady of Fatima Majuvada, we celebrate once in a year. And on this day, as we celebrate Family Day, our hearts will fill with great joy. On this day, I recall the beautiful passage in the Gospel of St. John, chapter 2, where Jesus, Mary, and Joseph goes for a wedding feast. And there at a wedding feast, they run out of wine. And Jesus knows the situation of the family, knows the situation of the groom, and he knows the situation of the bride. And he saves them. From that embarrassment, he changes water into wine. Jesus wants to change our lives, bring us closer towards God. But we are called to be an open person. To be an open person, we are called to remember the two F's. The first F is that we are called to be persons of faith. The second F, we are called to be a person of a family who loves our homes, who are sincere in our own homes. We are called to be a person of faith, a person of faith who trusts God, a person of faith who does everything to fulfill God's plan. We are called to be a person in our family, constantly supporting the other person, trying to see that our family does things that are pleasing towards God. On this day, I congratulate the family cell members and all those who are doing this beautiful job, trying to outreach to especially those who in real need. On this day, we wish them a happy feast. We wish our families God's blessings, and may God constantly give us the strength to be faithful to Him.
Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami. Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami.
Hi all. World Marriage is celebrated on second Sunday of February in all parishes and dioceses. This year it coincides with the Valentine's Day, that is on 14th February. The greatest gift from God is family. World Marriage started in 1983, and that is celebrated every year annually. The purpose of celebrating World Marriage Day is highlight the beauty of marriage and family. This day we honor all husbands and wives for their greatest sacrifices and faithfulness to each other. Let's all honor and honor couples, husbands and wives for their greatest sacrifice. Now I am going to introduce the youngest couple of our parish, that is my youngest son and daughter-in-law.
Hi. Happy World Marriage Day to all.
Happy World Marriage Day.
Thank you. Bye.
हसीना से जो मुलाकात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से जो मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये न पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से जो मुलाकात हो गई। अचानक आ गई जो नजर के सामने, जैसे निकल आया घटा से चांद। वो अचानक आ गई जो नजर के सामने, जैसे निकल आया घटा से चांद। तहरक जुल्फे बिखरी हुई थी, दिन में रात गए। एक अजनबी हसीना से जो मुलाकात हो गई। जाने मन जाने जिगर होता मैं शायर अगर, कहते गजल तेरी अदाओं पर। जाने मन जाने जिगर होता मैं शायर अगर, कहता गजल तेरी अदाओं पर। मैंने ये कहा तो मुझसे खफा हो, जाने हयात गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से जो मुलाकात हो गई। खूबसूरत बात ये, चार पल का साथ ये, सारी उम्र मुझको रहेगा याद। खूबसूरत बात ये, चार पल का साथ ये, सारी उम्र मुझको रहेगा याद। मैं अकेला था मगर बन गई वो हमसफर, वो मेरे साथ गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये न पूछो, कुत्ते सी बात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई।
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You all know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You all know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
जायते पावटी सांगले हाका कित्याक समजना, म्हज्या फाटल्यान कायलज नासतना.
लज केल्या जेवंक बाये पेज मेळाना, तुजो मोग जाला कित्या कळाना.
पळोवच्या दिसताय बोंबील तसो, सांग बाबा मोग तुजो कसो कसो.
म्हाका लागला गो तुज्या मोगाचो वसो, तुज्याच मोगान बाय जाला हांव पिसो.
पप्पा म्हजो सर्वीस करता तरवान, म्हाका सैरी गो येता सबा.
सर्वीस करिनासता जोडता हजार, लेगीत जावया दोगांय काजर.
काजर तुजे लगे कसे जावचे, उपरांत तुवें म्हाका कशें पोसचें.
बापाक मोच्या आसा दुकान खावाचे, सकाळी उठोन दोगांय पाव विकुपेचे. काजर जातच तुका मोगान पोसतलो, भोवोंक पोसोंक नासता घरांत बसतलो.
बरें बरें रांदून तुका वाडटली, सदांच तुका हांव खुशी दवरतली.
ला 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 ला
ऐसे मिले हैं हम तुमसे सागर संग जैसे किनारे हैं। 25 वर्ष तो बीत गए पर आज भी प्यारे नजारे हैं। हर दिल में बसे हो तुम ऐसे चंदा संग जैसे सितारे हैं। 25 बरस तो बीत गए पर आज भी प्यारे नजारे हैं। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमदमा। न कोई है टेंशन में एक बोट से तैर गया रे धक धक करके साउंड जो आया बक बक करके तुझको बताया वो जरा घबरा के जरा इतरा के कर प्यार से करता रहा छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी छेड़खानियाँ करे ऐसी की तैसी छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी छेड़खानियाँ करे ऐसी की तैसी
इमोशन सारे हैं उड़ते गुब्बारे जो तेरी गलियों में आए कब चेंज हुआ ये समझ नहीं आए जो टर्न ये दिल ने लिया रे जरा समझा के जरा हिचका के मैं भी प्यार से करती रही छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी छेड़खानियाँ करे ऐसी की तैसी छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी छेड़खानियाँ करे ऐसी की तैसी
छेड़खानियाँ
ऐसी की तैसी
छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी
सुइया क्या दिल
Good evening, everybody. This is Loretta D'Souza here, and I'm the Family Cell member. And today we would like to have a small chat on the beautiful sacrament of matrimony. Today we have with us Pamela and Ainsley, who have shared their beautiful married life of 30 years and blessed with 2 little angels in their lives. And I would like to welcome Pamela and Ainsley for 2 to 3 small questions which they can help us out with their expertise.
Thank you, Loretta.
And my first question that would be is like it's related to building a healthy relation in marriage. So how would you foster a good healthy relation in the sacrament of marriage? What is your tip for our parishioners?
Well, Loretta, no marriage is perfect. Marriage, as we all know, is a work in progress. It is continuously you need to work upon it. Ainsley and I have been married for 30 years. We do have our differences. We have our disagreements. However, in spite of our imperfections, we have decided to stick together through good times and bad times. And in spite of our differences, it's always been that we decide on a common goal. We need to align our goals. What is it that is important for the family, whether it is finances, that is what we need to spend, what we need to save, whether it is going on a vacation, whether it has been education for our daughters. It's always been that we have decided what is best for all of us and then worked on it, even though at times we may have had our differences.
Very well said, Pamela. Any points from you, Ainsley?
Actually, we have to thank the Lord for the beautiful couple as we are today and for the 2 lovely daughters we have. Thank you so much to the Almighty.
Great. Here we have a pure example where we have this couple staying true to the word of God, to the promises that they have made, and that is be with each other in good times and in bad. So that's really wonderful, Pamela and Ainsley.
Thank you.
Would just like to ask one more question. Your daughters are quite grown up. So we would like to know few tips on parenting skills as to how and what are the plus points and the negative points that you could just summarize in 2 to 3 sentences for us.
2 to 3 sentences would be too short for me. Okay. So, following what the Bible has to say in Proverbs, that train your child what you want him or her to do, and when she grows up, she will be following that path. So, we need to remember that values are caught and not taught. So if you want your child to behave or to live a certain kind of life, it is important that we as parents also practice it.
Beautiful.
Okay, because children, they pick up from the parents their behavior or the way of life. And I'm very proud to say that we have 2 daughters and both of them are doing very well in life. The elder one is now in Canada. She's taken a PR and gone there. She has done it all on her own. And the younger one, she is in the Indian Air Force, a flight lieutenant.
Yes.
So as what I need to tell you is that we need to motivate and encourage our children, see the spark that they have in life, the passion, what they want to do. Instead of telling them, don't do this, don't do that, I think we can encourage them and motivate them to say, can we do this or can this be done? So, for example, when my younger daughter, she was small, we used to sit and we used to watch Republic Day. And that is what put that desire in her that she should join the Indian Air Force and serve the country.
Beautifully said.
And she has worked towards it and achieved her goal.
Beautifully said. So here we had asked Pamela to answer in 2 to 3 lines, but I will summarize in 2 to 3 points. Yes, they said is like the first thing that they follow is the Bible, the teachings of the Bible. And the second main important point that they said is that let the child follow their goal. You should not interrupt or say don't do that. Instead, set it as an example as to how to do it. A very positive approach towards parenting. All our viewers, we would like to test what Pamela and Ainsley have said to us with the help of a very beautiful video sent by their daughter Nikita. Alright, so catch you up in the next video. Thank you.
So, my parents' method of parenting is, I think, the reason why me and my sister are so independent. Of course, when I was small, like when we were in school, and we would see mothers be there with their basically the children's backpacks, carrying their backpacks, waiting for their school buses to arrive and take them, carry their backpacks. So we never had anything of the sort. We just remember Mama kissing us, like when I was in like primary and I had afternoon school. I just remember Mama kissing me goodbye before she went to office, or some days it was when they decided that I should go and stay with one auntie. So it usually used to be our neighbors who used to take care of us. And of course, when you're small and everything, you feel that you're being neglected or whatever. But then in course of time, as I grew up, I realized that when I used to see my counterparts, and I could see the amount of responsibility that I could undertake at such a small age, be it me and my sister taking care of our grandmother, ensuring she has her meals on times. I think the self-confidence that I got is because of being, being put in a situation to take responsibilities at such a small age. The maturity. Also, this is with that part where I have been grown up with two working parents. Me and my sister were alone for a night when the 26 Jan floods took place, and we survived it. We did it. We were just in school. I think she was in class 9th or 10th, and I was in 6th standard. But we did it with our neighbors, and the thing that I love the most about the parenting style of my parents is that, number one, they trust us a lot. And like Spider-Man says, with great power comes great responsibility. So that feeling, that conscience in me always pricks me if I ever think of doing anything wrong. I was like, my parents entrust me so much, why should I even go against their will? So I always had this this freedom, this openness, where I felt, I could go and tell my mom if I'm doing something, if I'm going to drink, or I always felt guilty if I had to lie to her. So I always chose, why to feel that guilt? I might as well just tell her where I'm going or what I'm doing. That was number one, the trust that they have on us. The second thing is freedom in terms of everything, in terms of our life choices, in terms of our career choices, in terms of our hopefully we don't have partners right now, but they've always told us that you have the freedom to choose your partner as well, because mom and dad keep saying that at the end of the day it is you who has to stay with them. So you have that freedom of choice. And whatever me and my sister are today, I wonder if I would have been doing something else, if I would have been a doctor, or my sister would have been an engineer. We would have been, just because my parents forced us to do so, I don't think we would have been where we are today. And that's it. I don't think I would have survived with any other set of parents. I feel my parents are the best, and I can never I hope I never disappoint them. I hope I make them proud each day. And I love them a lot and I miss them.
And last but not the least, there's a very frequent question that is asked, and that would be how to manage conflicts with parents or spouse.
Conflicts, when you are in a relationship, conflicts will be there. It is also a sign of love, but how you manage those conflicts is important. So at least I would feel that in our relationship, communication has been very important, and I have been given the freedom to express. Supposing things are not going my way, I can express it to Ainsley and he accepts it.
Beautiful.
So it is important that you need to have a good communication with your spouse or with your in-laws and discuss what is the problem that you are facing, and maybe decide together how to solve it.
Beautifully said. Really a wonderful tip that you have given here is, even I had done the marriage course. That time father had said one thing: other person will not understand anything till the time you don't express it. So yes, very beautifully said, Pamela, that when you express yourself, the conflicts itself give you a reason to understand things better, isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you, Pamela, and thank you,
Thank you so
Ainsley,
much,
for a
Loretta.
beautiful chat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wish everybody a happy World Marriage Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And have a Valentine's Day.
I'm Nereus here, and she's my wife.
Gloria.
From Don Bosco community, and on this World Marriage Day celebration, we are going to present you a song, I'll Never Find Another You. Here it is. There's a new world somewhere they call the Promised Land, and I'll be there someday if you could hold my hand. I still need you there besides me, no matter what I do, for I know I'll never find another you. There is always someone for each of us, they say, and you'll be my someone forever and a day. I could search the whole world over until my life is through, but I know I'll never find another you. It's a long, long journey, so stay by my side. When I walk through the storm, you'll be my guide, be my guide. If they give me a fortune, my pleasure would be small. I could lose it all tomorrow and never mind at all. But if I should lose your love, dear, I don't know what I'd do. For I know I'll never find another you. But if I should lose your love, dear, I don't know what I'd do. For I know I'll never find another you. Another you. Thank you.
तूने क्या किया बेरिया, ये तूने क्या किया।
तूने क्या कहा मेरी आई तूने क्या कहा
यूं ना कभी करना इंतजार
मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार
साथिया तूने क्या किया बेलिया ये तूने क्या किया इतनी मोहब्बत सह ना सकूंगा सच मानो जिंदा रह ना सकूंगा
तुझको संभालो ये मेरा जिम्मा मैं हूँ तो क्या हम जाने तमन्ना
अब जीना मरना मेरा जन्म तेरे हाथ है
मैंने कहा ना सनम अब तो मेरे साथ है
तो फिर समा
ला ला ला
ये दिल मेरा
ला 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 जाना कहाँ
ला 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 ला
दिल में आ
ला 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 साथिया तूने क्या
हंसनी मेरी हंसनी कहाँ उड़ चली मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली ओ हंसनी मेरी हंसनी कहाँ उड़ चली मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली आजा मेरी सांसों में महक रहा है तेरा गजरा आजा मेरी रातों में लहक रहा है तेरा गजरा ओ आजा मेरी सांसों में महक रहा है तेरा गजरा ओ आजा मेरी रातों में लहक रहा है तेरा गजरा हंसनी
Let's get everybody dancing, come on. बॉम्बे से आया मेरा दोस्त, दोस्त को सलाम करो, रात को खाओ पियो, दिन को आराम करो। ना 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 ना। गालियां सकली सोन्याची, इबोरे कोणाची, गालियां सकली सोन्याची, इबोरे कोणाची, आणि आईसनी भेवडी आणि बापूसनी भेवडा, इबोरे कोणाची। मॅगी आईसनी भेवडी आणि बापूसनी भेवडा, इबोरे कोणाची। On the top of the house, on the top of the house, golden tiles on the top of the house, on the top of the house, on the top of the house, golden tiles on the top of the house. Cavallo tera murgi sambalo, cavallo tera murgi sambalo, o tera murgi करेगी मस्ती, तो मेरा मुर्गा करेगा जबरदस्ती। कावालो तेरा मुर्गी संभालो, कावालो तेरा मुर्गी संभालो। I married a female wrestler as massive as can be, and she had bulging muscles that quite fascinated me. She said she loved me truly. She also said, "By heck, if I ever catch you messing around, I'll break your fucking neck." Oh yo yo, what shall I do? How shall I save my skin? I married a female wrestler, and look at the mess I'm in. Oh yo yo, take one solo, boys.